Welcome back, smart shoppers. Today on Buy Smart, we're comparing two titans of the smartphone world, the Apple iPhone 11 and the Samsung Galaxy S22. Let's dive into this epic showdown. First up, let's talk about the price. The iPhone 11 comes in at a cool $339. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 is priced at $379. If your wallet is on a diet, the iPhone 11 might be your new best friend. But for just $40 more, you can enjoy the latest tech with the Galaxy S22. Reviewers appreciate the iPhone 11 for its affordability and value, while the Galaxy S22 is noted for offering cutting-edge features at a slightly higher price. Next, let's talk about compatibility and network. The iPhone 11 is unlocked and compatible with GSM and CDMA networks, allowing it to work with almost any carrier. Reviewers have praised its versatility. The Galaxy S22, while also versatile, covers GSM, HSPA, LTE, and CDMA networks. It's like the iPhone's slightly pickier cousin. Reviewers note that both phones offer great compatibility, but the iPhone 11 is just a tad more friendly. Battery health and diagnostics are crucial. The iPhone 11 guarantees a minimum battery capacity of 80% and has passed a full diagnostic test, making it a reliable choice. Reviewers appreciate this assurance of quality. The Galaxy S22, being brand new, doesn't specify battery health, but offers a solid performance. Some reviewers have noted minor issues with battery life, but overall find it satisfactory. When it comes to display, the iPhone 11 features a liquid Retina HD display. It's reliable and gets the job done. Reviewers find it satisfactory for everyday use. The Galaxy S22, however, boasts a dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz HDR10+ display, which reviewers rave about for its vibrant and smooth performance. It's a visual treat, making the S22 the go-to for display enthusiasts. Let's talk cameras. The iPhone 11 has a decent camera setup that reviewers find adequate for general use. However, the Galaxy S22 packs a 50-megapixels camera with LED flash, which reviewers love for its high-quality photos and advanced features. If you're into photography or capturing high-quality videos, the S22 is the clear winner here. Performance and specs are where the Galaxy S22 shines. It comes with Android 12, One UI, 4.1.1, an octa-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. Reviewers are impressed by its high performance and advanced features. The iPhone 11, powered by the A13 Bionic chip, is reliable and performs well in everyday tasks according to reviewers. While both phones offer great performance, the S22 is the choice for those who need top-tier specs. Overall, reviewers appreciate the iPhone 11 for its affordability, reliability, and versatility. It's a great choice for those who want a dependable phone without breaking the bank. The Galaxy S22, on the other hand, is praised for its cutting-edge technology, high-quality camera, and vibrant display. It's the go-to for those who want the latest and greatest features. So, there you have it. The iPhone 11 is the dependable, budget-friendly option that gets along with everyone. The Galaxy S22 is the flashy, high-performance beast that's ready to impress. Which one should you buy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep shopping.